In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the dreaded black screen with a cursor issue on Windows 11. Whether you've just booted up your computer or it suddenly happened, it can be a frustrating experience. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve it, so let's dive right in. First, a quick and effective way to address this problem is by pressing the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B all at the same time. This simple keyboard shortcut is actually a hidden gem in the world of Windows troubleshooting. When you press these keys, you're performing a little magic trick for your display driver. You should hear a short beep and notice that your screen flickers a bit. This indicates that the display driver has been reset. It's all about refreshing that graphics driver, breathing life back into your display. If that doesn't seem to do the trick, don't worry. There's another method you can try. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together. This will bring up a menu where you should select Task Manager. If the Task Manager appears, that's a good sign. It means your system is responsive and you can proceed to the next step. If the Task Manager doesn't appear, you may need to take more drastic measures, which we'll discuss shortly. Now, while you're in Task Manager and your system is responding, press the Windows key and P together. This opens up your display mode options. Press the P key again, followed by Enter. This cycles through the various display modes available. Sometimes the black screen issue is simply a case of your computer having the wrong display mode set. Cycling through these modes can often resolve the problem and bring your screen back to life. In some cases, a more thorough approach is needed. There's a method to force restart your computer that could help. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the computer turns off completely. This is essentially a hard reset, and while it's not always ideal, it can be a necessary step to kickstart your system back into action. If the issue persists despite these efforts, it's time to consider more advanced options. You might have to access Safe Mode or the Windows Recovery Environment, also known as WinRE. This allows for more comprehensive troubleshooting and repairs. And if all else fails, restoring your system to an earlier point when it was functioning properly can be a lifesaver. Of course, you need to have created a restore point beforehand. Alternatively, you can reset your PC to factory settings, ensuring you have the option to keep your personal files intact. Those are the steps that should guide you in fixing the black screen issue on Windows 11. Remember, patience is key, and sometimes a little trial and error will get you back to business. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.